The highly anticipated Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra from Samsung has been generating significant buzz, with numerous leaks surfacing ahead of its official launch. According to multiple reports, the device is shaping up to be a powerful contender in the tablet market, particularly aimed at competing with Apple's iPad Pro lineup. According to a leak from Android Authority, official images and detailed specifications of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra have surfaced, giving a clear view of what the flagship tablet will offer. The Tab S10 Ultra will feature a 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X anti-reflection display, designed to minimize glare and provide a high-quality viewing experience. The tablet maintains its notch, which houses two 12-megapixel front cameras, wide and ultra-wide. On the back, it sports a dual-camera system with a 13-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens for enhanced versatility in photography. In terms of design, it is reported that the device will bear a strong resemblance to its predecessor, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. It means that the new model will feature a similar ultra-thin metal body and large display, making it visually almost identical to the S9 series. However, according to 9to5 Google, one key upgrade comes in the form of an anti-reflective display, which should significantly improve the viewing experience in bright environments. The anti-reflection feature will likely be similar to the Gorilla Glass Armor technology found in Samsung's other premium devices, such as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Speaking of displays, one of the most talked about features of the new device is its 14.6-inch OLED screen. As confirmed by leaks mentioned on multiple platforms, including Tech Outlook, the display will offer a resolution of 2960 by 1848, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details. It also boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for smooth scrolling, gaming, and multimedia consumption. Additionally, the screen will have a peak brightness of 930 nits. Another key area where this tablet excels is in its processing power. According to Ice Universe, the device will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 930 Plus processor, which is expected to deliver significant performance improvements compared to previous generations. According to Tech Outlook, the tablet will be available in configurations with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM, ensuring that it can handle even the most demanding applications without breaking a sweat. Storage options will range from 256GB to 512GB, with the added convenience of a microSD card slot for expanding storage if needed. The Ultra model will come equipped with an 11,200 mAh battery. The tablet will also support 45-watt fast charging and IP68 rating. As leaks indicate that the device will feature a quad-speaker setup, similar to previous high-end models. Additionally, the device will support 5G in cellular models. Other connectivity features include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a USB 3.2 Type-C port, as reported by several sources. In terms of software, the tablet is expected to run Samsung's One UI 6.11 based on Android 14, which will likely bring a host of new features and optimizations. Coupled with Samsung's productivity features like DeX Mode. One of the major leaks regarding the new tablet's release comes from Roland Quandt, a reliable source from the German site WinFuture. In a post on Twitter, Quandt revealed that the tablet is expected to launch on September 26, 2024. This date is earlier than what many previous reports had indicated, as earlier rumors suggested an October release. The decision to release the device in late September is likely a strategic move to avoid clashing with Apple's anticipated October iPad event. Samsung has yet to launch the Galaxy Tab S10 series officially, However, it has started a blind pre-reservation without revealing how many products are included in the series and their specifications. Samsung India reported that interested buyers can pre-reserve the upcoming flagship Galaxy tablets at just 1,000 rupees before the official launch, and they can get the benefit of 3,500 rupees. Note that the token money is also refundable if the buyers change their minds after the launch. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series pre-reservation period has already started from September 17th, and the window will stay open till September 25th. On the display image, Samsung also showcased that the tablet would support the S Pen. However, it is speculated that the S Pen would only be available for the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Apart from 3,500 rupees off, Samsung may also provide a 45-watt travel charger for free if buyers pre-reserve the Galaxy Tab S10 series. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, it is expected that the base model of the Ultra variant could start at around $1,200, given the premium features and specifications it offers. The larger storage and RAM configurations will likely push the price higher, potentially reaching up to $1,500 for the top-tier model. Are you excited about the potential of this new device? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and reviews as we get closer to the official launch.